Cavendish School in Chiswick have won lots of awards, but we're here for a very special presentation.
So, to Cavendish Primary School for being the best improved school of all the schools in Chiswick, I'm proud to present to your colleagues here the Chiswick Centenary Plate. Congratulations, well done. It's very heavy, so you all gotta grab it.
So Mrs. Mills, out of all of the schools, all of the primary schools in Chiswick, you guys have won the Horticultural Society Award. How does it feel?
It feels great. I mean, very, very, very proud. We had a lot of fun using the seeds, the bulbs that Mr. Gill from the Chiswick Horticultural and Allotment Society gave us. And we used the plants that we grew actually in our science classes. They got to taste their own radishes, which they grew. They dissected sweet peas, and we grew nasturtiums, which just went on flowering for ages. So it was a really nice experience to get the kids out of the classroom, get dirty, and to understand. Yeah, I mean, it brought a different dimension to the science lessons, a much more hands-on. It's been a brilliant experience, and thank you so much for the efforts, the unpaid, very determined efforts of these, wonderful guys from the Allotment Society. So I feel very grateful on behalf of the class and the children, and yeah, yippee! Thank you.
What a fantastic achievement. Well done, everybody.
And you guys have got a huge plate in your hands. Do you know what you've won this for?
Planting, gardening.
Did you enjoy doing it?
Yeah, we got to eat our own radishes. And also we got potatoes and we planted them in the ground so that it'd grow bigger.
How exciting is that? And have you learnt a lot from doing this as well?
Yeah, we learnt
need a lot of care.
Yeah.
There we go, yeah. It's really important, isn't it, that you really look after them. What would you say is your top tip for gardening?
Make sure they don't die.
That is a good top tip. What do you think got you this award?
I think our teamwork and our efforts.
Mr. Shand, what does it mean to the school to be involved in horticulture?
It's really important, mainly because children spend a lot of time indoors. They spend a lot of time studying for reading, writing and maths, which is obviously very important for them. But it's not just about that, it's about developing the whole child, getting them to understand about other things around them, appreciating the food that they eat, appreciating, it's so easy at this age group to put food in your mouths, but at lunchtime, if they understand that the food has been grown and a lot of hard work's gone into that, then I think they appreciate what they eat and they appreciate things a lot more.
Do you think that this also promotes healthy eating as well because they're excited about the things that they're eating more?
Yes, definitely. And I think it's really important for them to understand that an apple doesn't have to be round and shiny to taste good.
Yeah.
They need to understand where the apple's growing or the pear's grown from, and the carrot might be a bit knobbly, but it doesn't affect the taste. And sometimes I think food that's grown yourself will normally taste a lot better than the food in the supermarket.
What do you think won the children this award? The kids were talking about team building. What type of skills do you think it took for them to get this special award?
Well, I think working together, if you get individuals who like working in the garden and growing things, but at this age it's really important that they learn together and work as a group. So collectively, they've improved the environment. So, there's all the social element that goes along with being outside and growing things.
Yeah.
I think there's a lot more to it than just sitting in a classroom. It's the social element and the talking, having fun, is really important for them.
Is this something the school's going to continue to develop?
Yeah, definitely. We've got a fantastic PTA at this school and they've got some great plans to continue developing the area.
So we're now at St Mary's Roman Catholic Primary School in Chiswick, and these guys are the runners-up for the Chiswick Horticultural and Allotment Society Award.
This year, I'm delighted to say that St. Mary's has been awarded the special silver bowl for demonstrating the most enthusiasm in growing things. So you've done a fantastic job this year, and we're all so very proud of you for having done such a great thing, that this year I'm proud to present to Mrs. McManus our silver bowl, and we also have a certificate for which I congratulate you all.
Thank you.
I'm going to give them a clap. Well done. Congratulations.
Okay, guys, first off, can you tell us your names?
I'm Seb.
Yep.
I'm Bella. I'm Eloise.
So, guys, we are here for a very special reason. You guys have just won a very special award. How does it feel?
It feels really amazing because we've put our hard work into it and it's paid off.
And what type of things did you plant?
We planted, I think, courgettes and basil.
And yourself as well, you said that you've actually taken this back home as well and you've got an allotment. What do you love about gardening?
To see them grow and to help my mum and dad.
What was your favourite thing about gardening?
My favourite thing was getting our hands dirty and
Yes, love that.
and yeah, seeing them grow all the time because you can pop into the garden and watch their progress.
Is it exciting to be able to eat the things that you've made yourself as well?
Tomatoes that Year 5 made last year when we were in Year 4, they were in the salad bar.
Ooh. Do you think it tastes different when you've grown it yourself?
Yeah, it tastes a bit better.
So, Mrs. McManus, how does it feel to win the award?
Well, it's absolutely fantastic and a real testament to all the hard work of all of the children and all of the staff and of the parents, because the parents have been a great support, particularly one special parent who I'd like to mention, Miss Jan Free, who came in and worked with all the different year groups. But it's absolutely a fantastic achievement for all the children and staff of the parents of the school. So really great.
How important do you think it is for kids to have that sort of hands-on experience and really, I mean, we interviewed some of the children, they were saying their favourite bit about it is getting dirty actually. So do you think it's important that they get to go outdoors and get involved like that?
Exactly. Being outside, working in all weathers, because they worked all through the year, so in all the different seasons, having the opportunity to get dirty without somebody saying, stop, don't touch. They were able to explore the whole gardening, the whole environment. Working outside, outdoor education is really important. Many children nowadays don't get the opportunity to play outside, so gardening here at school is really, really important.
Do you think the kids have learnt new skills as well through doing this?
Yes, definitely. You mentioned earlier teamwork, because they worked not only in their own year group, but they also worked across the year groups. So reception age children, we were working with year 6 children, and that's a great opportunity because there's not really that many opportunities for that to happen in school.
So was it important to have the support as well from the Chiswick Horticultural and Allotment Society?
Yes, most definitely. We couldn't have managed the project without them. In this time of budget constraints, we have many calls on our money. The Horticultural Society donated compost, seeds, pots, and also great encouragement coming around and supporting us and encouraging us through the year. So most definitely, it wouldn't have happened without Chiswick Horticultural Society. Yeah.